Language.Foundation's Video Dictionary, helping you achieve understanding.
Cry like a goose. The geese were honking. Cronk. Make a loud noise. Beep, blare, klaxon, toot. Use the horn of a car. Klaxon. Eject the contents of the stomach through the mouth. Barf, be sick, cast, cat, chuck. The cry of a goose, or any sound resembling this.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials. Subscribe to our channel to become a part of our growing community and to learn English effectively.